Did you know that you can actually train your brain to become smarter? It's true. Just like you can work out your muscles to make them stronger, you can also work out your brain to make it more efficient. Developing good habits is a process that takes time and effort. You can't become smarter overnight, but with the right mindset toward learning new things in order to grow as an individual, you will be able to make rapid progress on your intelligence over short periods of just weeks or months. Some people are born smart, but most of the time, we have to work on our mental skills every day. Daily rituals can help you stay sharp and improve your performance in any field, from leadership roles to art hobbies and even business practices. Here are some of the most important habits you can have in your life to help you become your smartest self. Be curious. Curious people tend to be smarter than those who aren't curious. Don't automatically assume they accepted wisdom without question. Just keep your eyes and mind open to new insights that may challenge what we know already. If you want to be smarter, make an effort to ask questions about the things you don't understand. Staying curious and seeking new knowledge expands your perspective and enhances critical thinking skills. Read books. If you want to become smarter, one of the best habits to develop is reading daily. It not only expands your vocabulary and improves your communication skills but also exposes you to new ideas and ways of thinking. Make reading a habit, serious reading, even if it's just part of a chapter each day. Stick to your reading schedule, and your intellect will be enriched. Hang out with people who are more intelligent than you. One of the best ways to learn is by talking to people who know more than you do. Make an effort to have conversations with experts in their field or who are generally very intelligent. These conversations challenge you and help you to see things from a different perspective. Surrounding yourself with intelligent and motivated individuals can inspire you to think more deeply and strive for personal growth. Stay organized. By staying organized, you can avoid a cluttered mind and keep your thoughts clear. Take the time to organize your space. It's easier to focus on the task when you have a clean workspace. So take some time each day to declutter your workspace and keep things tidy. Challenge yourself. To keep your mind sharp, challenge yourself on a regular basis with activities like puzzles, learning a new skill, memory games, and learning a new language. This will help keep your mind active as well as prevent cognitive decline as you age. When you do things that are outside of your comfort zone, it forces your brain to adapt and grow. Start challenging yourself with new experiences and tasks today. Get enough sleep. Getting a good night's rest impacts your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. When you get enough rest, the next day will be brighter because your mind has had time to recharge and prepare itself with fresh energy. Most people need around 7 to 8 hours of quality slumber per night to maintain their sanity and stay sharp during those long days at work or school. Don't let yourself become one who doesn't prioritize this necessary part of living healthy. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great way to improve your mood and cognitive function. Exercise keeps your body healthy, increases blood flow to the brain, and releases endorphins that can improve your mood and cognitive function. A moderate amount will do you good. Eat a healthy diet. What you eat directly affects your brain health. Be sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Also, limit processed foods and saturated fats, which can lead to cognitive decline. Meditate. Meditation can help you to improve your memory and concentration and reduce stress levels by calming the mind. Developing a consistent meditation practice reduces stress and improves memory and focus. Keep a journal. Taking time for reflection and introspection can lead to better self-awareness and decision-making. Journaling is a great way to practice this habit. It's not enough just to consume information, you also need to process it and think about what you've learned. Take a few minutes at the end of each day to reflect on what you've read or heard and how you can apply it in your life. Take care of your body and mind. You can't be smart if you don't care for your body and mind. Exercising regularly, eating healthy food, and getting enough sleep are all essential for keeping your body operating at its best. Your brain can only work as well as the system it's a part of, so make sure you're taking care both internally, eat right, and externally, exercise, alongside maintaining an active lifestyle by sleeping 8+ hours every night. Taking breaks throughout the day is important, and give yourself time to relax and be ready to learn more. There's no magic pill that will make you instantly smarter, but there are certain habits you can adopt that will help you improve your cognitive abilities over time. By creating and committing to these daily habits, you can continuously improve your intelligence and reap the benefits in all aspects of life. Remember, intelligence is not a fixed trait. With effort and dedication, you have the power to become smarter every day. We hope you find our video informative. If you're looking for another informative video like this, check out our other videos. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss an amazing episode. Thanks for watching.